This week, we're going to be practicing coding skills. Coding is how you program computers, phones, anything that uses technology, because while computers do the task, they don't know how to do it. We've done some coding already when we did coding ourselves, as well as coding Cubeto to go through the map. So this is a similar idea, just on the device instead of with the robot. So what you're going to do, there's two ways you can do this activity. You're going to be coding the life cycle of butterfly based on the book by Eric Carle. The first way you can do this activity is come to the draw tool at the bottom, and you can draw your path. You want to draw the shortest path. That's not the shortest, but I just wanted to do a quick example. So you draw your path all the way to the end. Then you come down at the bottom. We already see that I have the egg down here. So I'm going to go see what I did next. So next, if I look at the egg, I went over. Oops. This is why you need to make sure you're on the right one. So click on the T, and I'm going to drag it over. And I'm going to drag over. So I went 1. I need to go over 2, so I'm going to drag 2 over. And then I need to go down 2. And then I need to go over 1. And then I got to the caterpillar. And I'm going to keep writing my path. And if you do the shortest path, you will have enough space on here. Okay. The other way you can do it, let me clean this off quick. And you're not going to use all the arrows. I put extra arrows on here just in case. Let me erase my path. The other way you can do is you can write your path on the bottom with the codes without drawing it. So if I want to get from the egg to the caterpillar again, so let's see, I'm going to go over, hit the T first before I do it, go over 1, I'm going to go down 2, and I should be there. So now if I check, I went over 1, down 2, and I was at the caterpillar. So I can go through and I can code it down on the bottom and then draw my line. And if it doesn't come out right, that is okay. That is part of coding, is to make mistakes. It's called a bug. So let me put that back just as part of the example. So hopefully you have fun with listening to the story as well as doing some coding. When we're back in school again, we'll go back to using Cubeto and doing more as a whole group to practice this. Have fun.